It's not the size of the dog in the fight, but the size of the fight in the dog. Nothing lasts forever, not even your troubles. Being strong means rejoicing in who you are, complete with imperfections. The only place you find success, before work is in the dictionary. It took me a long time not to judge myself through someone else's eyes. I quit being afraid when my first venture failed, and the sky didn't fall down. The only thing keeping you from getting what you want is the story you keep telling yourself about why you don't have it. People who are willing to die to succeed will tend to succeed. Just decide what it's gonna be, who you're gonna be, and how. You are gonna do it, and then from that point the universe will get out of your way. Nothing splendid has ever been achieved except by those who dared believe that something inside of them was superior to circumstance. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. People are like stained glass windows. They sparkle and shine when the sun is out, but when the darkness sets in there, true beauty is revealed only if there is light from within. Being strong means rejoicing in who you are, complete with imperfections. Please like and subscribe.